Cognitive bias. Definition and explanation. Cognitive bias refers to systematic patterns of deviation from rationality in judgment, where individuals create their own subjective reality based on their perceptions. These biases often arise from mental shortcuts, known as heuristics, which our brain uses to process information quickly. While these shortcuts can be helpful in certain situations, they can also lead to flawed reasoning and discriminatory outcomes in contexts like diversity, equity, and inclusion (DEI). Cognitive bias can hinder progress towards creating a truly inclusive culture. Unconscious biases influence hiring decisions, promotions, and even day-to-day interactions, often without the individual being aware of it. This can perpetuate systemic inequalities by marginalizing underrepresented groups and favoring those who already hold privileged positions. Consider a workplace scenario where a manager must select an employee for a leadership development program. The manager has two candidates. One is assertive, outgoing, and matches the manager's personal style. The other is quieter, but has consistently demonstrated excellent leadership qualities. Due to affinity bias, the manager may unconsciously prefer the first candidate simply because their style resonates more with their own, despite the quieter employee being equally, if not more, capable. In this example, the manager's cognitive bias could lead to an unfair decision, where the quieter employee is overlooked for an opportunity that could significantly advance their career. This demonstrates how cognitive biases, if left unchecked, can impede equity and limit diversity in leadership roles. Cognitive bias is an inherent part of human thinking, but when left unaddressed, it can undermine efforts to create a diverse and inclusive environment. By acknowledging the existence of these biases and actively working to mitigate them, individuals and organizations can promote equity and fairness in the workplace. Understanding cognitive bias is not only crucial for personal growth, but also essential for building a more inclusive society where everyone has the opportunity to thrive.